Songbird. Today I'm going to be showing you a magical technique that is going to help you sing better in 5 minutes. That's right, in 5 minutes. I hope you're excited. Okay, the first thing I'd like you to do is to pick a song, all right? So go and just pick a song that you love to sing, and we're going to actually workshop through this song using this magical technique. The first thing I want you to do is just sing the song, right? Sing the song for me, probably record it on your phone or something like that, and just sing it right off the bat, you know? And you don't have to sing the whole thing, maybe sing a verse and a chorus, just a part of the song. And as you're singing it, right, I want you to sort of observe, like, how does it actually feel? How does it sound? You know, that's why it's good to record it so that you can actually listen back to it later. Okay, Songbird, are you now ready to make what you just sung exponentially better? All right, step 1, straw phonation through a straw. So I want you to grab a straw, and what we're going to do is do a couple of exercises on the straw to warm up your voice. The first exercise is just a siren. It goes like this. So what you're going to do is do those sirens that I just demonstrated for 2 minutes nonstop, okay? You're just going to go down and up and down through your range using the straw. Number 2, straw phonation on the song. So you know that song at the beginning that you just sung and maybe have recorded? I now want you to sing that exact same song through a straw. Now just choose a part of the song, okay? And we're going to go, woo. That's the sound we're making, but using a straw. For example, now sing it a couple more times using the straw, right? Really feel what that is doing in your throat, and then we're actually going to sing the song. Now, Songbird, if you want to be able to master your whole voice and learn vocal technique in order to do that, I encourage you, go and take the 7-day free trial of the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy. Here is where you get to access all of my online courses, webinars, and so many other resources to help you sing the way you've always wanted. And it's for free for the first 7 days. So go and click on the link to start your 7-day free trial now. Number 3, sing the song again. So you've sung the song, and then you've done some straw phonation warm-ups, and then you've sung the song on a straw. Now, let's just sing it and see what happens. Let's go. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting time after time. So Songbird, what was the difference? Did it feel and sound better? You know, I encourage you to take this technique into other songs that you'd love to sing better as well. Songbird, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. That's going to really help other people find this channel as well and learn to sing just like you. If you want to know more about straw phonation, go and check out this video here where I unpack even more goodness about this technique. And I am always believing in you, so why don't you get grounded, take flight, and sing.